Hi everyone, so today you will learn how to create a password protected zip file. As you can see, I'm on google.com. To create a zip file that is protected with a password, you need to install 7-zip on a system. Simply type 7-zip here. It will be very first link, simply click on it. And you can see the domain is 7-zip.org. Go to download, and depending upon your system, whether it's Linux, Mac OS or Windows, simply click on download that file and install it. I have already installed this on my system, and I also created a video on this topic. Link of that video will be in the description of this video. Please do check it out. Let's minimize the browser and go to desktop. On the desktop, I got this file, hello. It is basically a text file. Let me open it. So the text is hello world. If I want to create a zip file out of it, I can simply right click on it like this. There will be 7-zip. Then I have to go to add to archive. Make sure zip is selected in the drop down, and here you can provide the password. The password will be 123456. Also enter it here. To see the password, you can click on this show password. Also, you can change the file name. Let's make it protected. Make sure it is .zip because we are creating a zip file. Click on OK. And that's my file. Now to extract it, I can simply right click, go to 7-zip, then here extract to protected. Click on it. And here I need to put the password. So as you know, the password is 123456. But let me try to put some wrong password here. Click on OK. So you can see I'm getting wrong password. Close it. Now let's go to this folder. Open the text file. So you can see the text content is missing. So to extract it properly, we need to provide the correct password. Close it. Delete it. Now right click again. Go to 7-zip. Extract to protected. Type the password, which is 123456. Click on OK. So it's done. Open it. Click on the file. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to create a password protected zip file. That's enough for today. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.